Good morning, Science of Nutrition and Exercise students. I have just finally finished grading the personal diet analysis assignments as they were due a couple weeks ago. So please make sure you go in and read my feedback so you can see exactly what you missed. I did notice only 13 students submitted that assignment, so that's like a little over half of the class, so I'm not sure what happened, why the other students are not submitting that assignment, but that's worth 55 points. So please note that assignments that are submitted late will be penalized 50% right off the top, and you have 1 week from the assignment due date to send it in. So if you've missed it, it's likely that you're just going to receive a 0 for that particular assignment. So that's a big chunk of your grade, 55 points. So please make sure that you're submitting those types of assignments, and you will in a couple weeks have another one coming up. So as far as that goes, though, I did notice a few things for a few people when I was grading your nutrition assignments. I saw a lot of really low calorie intakes. Men need at least 1,500 calories a day, women at least 1,200 if you want to try to meet those nutrient needs. So if you're constantly consuming 8, 9, 100 calories a day, for example, that's way too low. And chances are that you're going to be lacking in a lot of key vitamins and minerals, not to mention other essential nutrients as well. So please keep that in mind. Eat 5 to 6 small meals spread evenly throughout the day, and that way that's going to keep your metabolic furnace stoked, and it's going to help you to burn more calories over the course of the day. So that's a big thing that I did notice. But if you have further questions and you wanted to, talk more about your personal diet analysis, I'd be more than happy to do that. Just send me an email and we can set up a time and maybe have a phone conversation, and I can give you more feedback that way. But for week 8, so now you're into week 8. So if you go to your module for week 8, this particular week, I would like you to read chapter 15 and 16. So if we go to week 7 and 8 module, you'll see chapter 15. You've got your pre-learning assessments. You've got a case study here. You got another diet and wellness skill building activity for chapter 15. You've got a closer look assignment for chapter 15, a global nutrition watch, and a post assessment. And then for chapter 16, you've got a pre-learning assessment. You have got your case study, you've got a global nutrition watch, and then you've got a post-learning assessment. So everything is linked right in there for chapter 15 and 16. So please make sure that you're taking those assessments this particular week and you're reading those 2 chapters and looking at protein and the importance of ingesting the right types of protein each week, and then also at vegetarian diets and the different styles of vegetarian diets and how they are becoming more mainstream today. So those are the homework, what is due for this particular week. Just looking ahead, if you look at the daily class schedule, let me open it up real quick here. Next week, the week of, actually, I'm sorry, I forgot one more thing. You have an exam this week too. I'm sorry, I'm glad I pulled this up. So in addition to chapters 15 and 16, you're going to be taking exam number 2. So please note that exam number 2 is going to be found under the quiz button here. And as the first one, it is a timed assessment. So please make sure you're staying within that time limit when you go to take that particular exam. So for this week, do not forget exam number 2 and all your MindTap assessments for chapter 15 and 16. Looking ahead, though, in the next couple weeks, you're going to have a vitamin poster to put in the Dropbox or in the assignments box, and then also a mineral poster as well. So I'll be explaining that next week when I do my short video. I'll go over how to do that, and I'll be assigning each of you a particular vitamin that you're going to be creating a informational poster board about. So that's what you're going to be doing this week. So if you have any questions at all, you're stuck on anything, send me an email and I can help you out. Other than that, enjoy the sunny day and have a great Monday.